Hey Chalkers! Don't take any chances. Make sure you have VIP parking for Santa and his reindeer this Christmas with November's Club Couture. This month's Club Couture shipment comes with everything you see here. The exclusive B-sized reindeer parking transfer and 3-pay singles in the colors Candy Apple, Black Velvet, and Shimmer Gold. Okay, I've grabbed one of my favorite surfaces, our door tag, and a few squeegees, so I'm ready to go. Let's start with fuzzing my transfer. To do that, I'm removing the backer and pressing it down on our fuzzing cloth. This picks up some lint from the fuzzing cloth and gentles the adhesive on the new transfer. Now center it on the door tag and smooth it out. You don't want any bubbles or wrinkles. Now let's prep our paste singles. The first thing I'm going to do is knead my black velvet paste to make sure it's well mixed, then just cut it open and squeeze the paste into the color tray. Then I'll do the same with Shimmer Gold and Candy Apple. Now that our transfer and paste are ready to go, let's get chalking. I'm loading up one of my mini squeegees with black velvet paste and using it to chalk up on the housetop and one night only. Applying the paste is super easy. Just smooth it across the desired screen area and don't forget to remove any excess paste for a seamless application. Now I'm taking my other mini squeegee and loading it up with some Shimmer Gold paste. I'm applying this to the little reindeer and sleigh element. This is such a fun detail you'll be wanting to put on all of your Christmas chalk projects. Perfect! To finish, let's use our small squeegee to chalk reindeer parking with Candy Apple for a bright and Christmassy pop of color. Once that's covered and the excess is removed, we're done. Time to peel to reveal. This project turned out clean, classy, and oh so festive. Make sure Santa knows where to park his reindeer with this Club Couture Christmas favorite. And a little paste goes a long way, so make one for you and all of your loved ones this Christmas season. Happy chalking!